Good morning, dear students. My name is Jashri Kevlani. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have 7 years of teaching experience. So, today I'm gonna teach you about Python. Okay, when you heard this word, which thing is coming in your mind? Tell me. Yes, a python snake. But we are not going to talk about the python snake here. We're going to learn about the computer. Before proceeding further, we should first know what is computer programming languages. Okay, and why it is a need to learn computer programming languages. Okay, we can understand each other's language, so why do we need to learn computer programming languages? Okay, humans, we interchange our ideas using a same language. Okay, like if I am speaking English, you are speaking English, we both understand English and Hindi, so we both can communicate with each other in either Hindi, either English. But if you understand French and I don't understand French, and you are saying something in French, so I won't get it that what you are saying. So for interacting with each other or to give instructions, okay, so for that we should be on a same pace, right? So the same way computer only understand machine language. Okay, so the computer programming language is the coding by which we communicate with machines. Okay, so the programming languages are set of instructions, okay, that we give to a machine to perform a various task. Why do we need computer programming language? If there were no computer programming language, we are not able to operate a mobile phone as well. Okay, so using computer language or doing various tasks, making websites and all these things will happen because of these computer programming languages. Okay, if they were not there, we are not able to operate Google, we are not able to operate our mobile phones, we are not able to play games or anything like this on our mobile phone or on PC. So the computer language is so important these days. So after this question, one more question arrives in our mind, like why only Python? There are so many programming languages, so why only Python? There are so many languages like C, C++ or Java. There are so many languages. So why only Python? Python is because that the Python uses English keywords to perform various tasks. Okay, what is Python? Okay, so Python, as we talked earlier, Python is a programming language. Programming languages are simply a special way of giving computer set of instruction to execute. You are probably familiar with some of the most common programming languages like HTML. Now next is, what is the use of Python and why only Python? Okay, so Python is a programming language that provides real skills for the future. Real skills for the future means that this is enabled to make websites or games or many platforms. Okay, so do you know few sites that use that is using Python as their language or making their platform, like the Instagram, Facebook and your YouTube? These are the most common apps that using the Python as their platform for making their websites. Okay, so it is used to develop software and apps in a variety of settings. Many computer programs enjoy using Python because it is easy to read and accessible even to beginners. So how it is accessible even to beginners? Because it contains the English keyword. Okay, the Python contains the English keyword. Now let's just go to our next slides. Now, how Python is different from other languages? Python was designed for readability and has some similarity to the English language with influence from mathematics. So it includes both the things, English and mathematics, in their language. Okay, for syntax, for their grammar, syntax is kind of a grammar for any language, for any computer programming language. So the syntax of this Python is combining both the languages, one is English and mathematics both. So now what is the difference between Python and the other languages? So Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons and parentheses. Next is, Python relies on indentation. Indentation means space. Using white space to define scope, such as the scope of loops, function and classes. Other programming languages often use curly bracket for this purpose. Okay, we can download Python by only two steps. One is download Python distribution. Second one is Python installation process. So what you have to do, you have to go to Python python.org/download/. So here you will be finding the latest version of your Python, your download Python 3.6.5. You can download it from here, and then you can run this file. After running this file, you are having an install option, customize installation or install now. You can select the install now option from there. Then control pop-up window will appear that will ask you for making changes in your computer, so you have to press yes, and then your setup progress bar will be coming there, and it will take few minutes to install this Python, and then your setup will be successful. Now in today's class we will going to learn 3 things in Python. Okay, so let's just open the Python window.